Dang, that's a nice TV. Who the freak is that?
My name is Marcus.
Yo, Marcus, what you doing over there, son? Hey, you look crazy, boy.
My cousin Christian is upstate in Pennsylvania, man.
Christian, come over here. Christian, come over here. Christian, come over here.
He's in upstate New York.
Oh, he left. Christian left. Randy, come. Randy, come. Randy, come. I'm right here, son. How you gonna say come when I'm right here? Well, you make no sense right now, son. You seem stupid. You seem stupid in butthole, son. Oh, you society, son. Oh, you fighting Fat Joe, right? Marcus is mad nice and different.